Do you understand commercial truck insurance? Primary liability insurance is the foundation of commercial trucking coverage and is required by law. It protects against bodily injury and property damage caused by your truck in an accident. Physical damage coverage safeguards your commercial truck from damages caused by collisions, vandalism, fire, or theft. It helps cover the cost of repairs or replacement of your vehicle. If your business involves transporting goods, cargo insurance is essential. It protects the goods being transported against damage, theft, or loss during transit. Non-trucking liability insurance is vital for independent owner-operators. It provides protection during personal use when your truck is not under dispatch. Umbrella insurance offers an additional layer of protection by extending the limits of your primary liability policy. It safeguards your business against significant claims that exceed your coverage limits. J.E.B.Insurance Services is here to support your trucking business. See how much you can save. Call J.E.B.Insurance Services now at 888-225-2258 for your free quote, or visit jebinsurance.com to get started today.